the member representing Okigwe North Federal Constituency, ranking member and chairman House Committee on Church Front, Right Honorable Miriam Onoha. You're welcome. Thank you.
Okay.
We also have Right Honorable Dibiago.
Princess Akobondo,
Right Honorable Eugene Dibiago, member representing the good people of Ohajebwema, Uguta, Uguta, and Oru West Federal Constituency, and the man with the largest and formidable structure for His Excellency's victory at 11/11 election. The IPM
special duty.
Imo Progressive Movement, Dibiago remains the convener. Thank you.
Senator Chris, Habaraki be Yogunugu, Higolo, Mama Saro, Yajim Gamono, Chris, Wanya, Amanasi, making him Ginuano, or Yakam Gakbama. Hey, Chairman Planning Committee, Inauguration, all got ringing on.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to announce to us the presence of Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide, ably led by Ahaija Gamba, His Excellency Chief Engineer Dr. Emmanuel Iwanyanwo, OFR, MFR, CFR, the President General Ohaneze Ndigbo. We also have Ambassador Oke Sunday, MFR, Secretary General of Ohaneze Ndigbo. We also have Ichie Okeke Ogene, Vice President General. We also have Dr. Mrs. Adibwo, the Vice President General, Enugu State. We have Right Honorable Dr.
Gender equality,
Right Honorable Dr. Alex Obonia, National Publicity Secretary, wherever you are, we appreciate your presence. We also have Chief Mrs. Ibeto, the President of Ohaneze Ndigbo, UK, and Northern Netherlands, Northern Ireland, wherever you are, we appreciate you. Thank you.
Please, all the women leaders from every local government move towards that last goalpost for accreditation. All the women leaders from each local government move towards the goalpost by the right for accreditation. God bless you.
We also have the presence of Dr. Patrick Anyanwo, Special Assistant to the President General, and the last but not the least, Dr. Barrister Peter Aneke, Assistant Legal Advisor, Ohaneze Ndigbo. Ohaneze Ndigbo, we appreciate your presence. Thank you for making yourself available for this August occasion. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nina. Thank you, Nina. Ladies and gentlemen, with full humility, let me recognize the former speaker, Chiji Collins, PhD. You are highly welcome, sir. Former speaker also, Right Honorable Emeka Ndoka, a fine gentleman. You are highly welcome, sir. I've also cited Right Honorable Jerry Alaboso, Aswaju himself, Aswaju Kai, Aswaju, we salute you. I've also cited Ezelubo Ozibondo, Chief Also here with us, Ebubisu himself, Chief Cosmos Madoba. Ebubisu, we salute you. I also have here Thank you, fellas. Our pride in Abuja, Princess Gloria Akobundo, a fine lady. We continue to recognize and salute you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've just cited the presence of ABM Nigeria Limited, ABM of our time, the senatorial candidate for Imo East, Prince Alex Mbata. Welcome you. Welcome also Ikoha of Igbo land, Chief Henry Njoko, Ikoha of Igbo land, Chief Henry Njoko. You're welcome. Thank you. Prince Alex Mbata.
Commissioner of Information. Yes, I did get there. Didn't know what God bless you. Your Excellency, Deputy Governor, Lassie Dinjoko, Iberutala. Deputy Governor, Lassie Dinjoko, Professor. Bring it up.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have in the house the Honorable Commissioner for Information and Strategy, Chief Declan Emelomba. We welcome you. We also have the former Speaker, Right Honorable Maswe Duru, BAD, Omudo. We welcome you.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Oni, 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 Oni,
Yeah.
Oni,
Distinguished lady.
Oni, Oni,
Ice.
Oni, 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 Oni.
And Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, announcing the arrival of His Excellency, the former President, former Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, retired General Olusegun Aremu Obasanjo. You're welcome back to Imo State, Your Excellency, GCON. GTFR. We also announce the arrival of Oba Enito Ogunwusi Ojaja II, the Oni of Ife, Oni of the Sus.
Put this one for him.
Can we bring it down? Thank you.
Bring it down.
Aha. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, if you call today the Jubilee for Imo State, you'll be right. welcome. This is better. Like my dear brother Oke Bakassi have said, we welcome His Excellency, the former President of Nigeria, Chief Olusegun Matthew Aremu Obasanjo, GCFR. And we also welcome here the 41st Ooni of Ife. Also here with us, let me welcome King Dadison, the Jaja of Ogbobo. We welcome you, our royal father. We welcome you, our royal fathers that are here. From all the far-flung areas of the country, we welcome all of you. And Prince Arthur Eze is here. Amazing Nigerian who swims in the pool of philanthropy. We welcome you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is actually the continuation of the litany of names for the Ohanaeze Ndị Igbo. I want to announce to us that Chief Mike Nnabuzie is here. He's actually the Assistant Secretary General of Ohanaeze Ndị Igbo. We have Chief Dr. Nnanna Egwu, Assistant Publicity Secretary. You are welcome. We have Dr. Mrs. Sandra Buchi Nwoyo. We have Dr. Kingsley Dozie, the Vice President of Ohanaeze Ndị Igbo, Abia State. We have Dr. Eze Ihe. Chief Oke Nwankwo is the President of Ohanaeze Ndị Igbo, Abia State. We have Chief Emeka Udedeme, President of Ohanaeze Ndị Igbo, Anambra State. We have Chief Emeka Festus Ogwu, VP, Delta State. Wherever you are, all the Ohanaeze Ndị Igbos here seated, we say welcome to Imo State. Thank you for coming.
Olusegun Obasanjo, Baba. Olusegun Obasanjo, Baba. Jagaban President, City Boy. You get it. Ọnụ na-ekwu na mmadụ bụrụ Chukwu. Ọnụ na-ekwu na mmadụ bụrụ Chukwu n'ime ụwa. Onye si na ya bụ Chukwu na ya meke n'ihe ji bụrụ Chukwu. Onye si na ya bụ Chukwu ya meke n'ihe ji bụrụ Chukwu. Maka na ife n'ụwa si na chi adị mma. 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 Mami, mama, mami. If I ever, I thank you. Oni, Kabiesio.
Thank you, Felix Demisro.
Oni, Kabiesio. Chukwu. Oh no, na-ekwu na mmadụ bụ Chukwu n'ime ụwa. Ụlọ kọpịa nwoke ọma nana. Ana m ekele gị na nwoke ọma m ji eje mba. Aya. Check it out, toss it up, check it out, circle up, check it out, push it up, yago up, look up, buga up, yeah. Bring it on.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I've just cited the Deputy Chief of Staff, Barrister Emeka Abo, we welcome you. His Royal Majesty Eze Oliver Ohanwe Buru Gburugburu, Chairman Governing Board, Benue Majibogu College of Education, Ituboma. We've also seen King Davison, the Jaja of Opobo. We welcome you, sir. Honorable Ifeanyi Agwu, SA to His Excellency on Oil and Gas, a fine gentleman. SA Public Enlightenment, Ochiwo, we welcome you. Barrister Ima Ibediro, former National Organizing Secretary of our great party. Barrister Ima Ibediro, we welcome you, sir. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me quickly announce the presence of Honorable Tony Nwaneri and his amiable wife, Honorable Lolo Oyibo Nwaneri, former National Woman Leader, APC. We also let us know that His Royal Highness Alhaji Dr. Yahaya Abubakar, CFR, is here, Committee Chairman, Niger State Council of Traditional Elders. May I also welcome the presence of Princess Rabi Ibrahim, Honorable Commissioner, Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Alleviation. Ladies and gentlemen, before I hand the microphone down, I want to let us know that the former Minister of State Education is here in the person of Right Honorable Goodluck Nana Opia with his amiable wife, Honorable Ifi Opia. Wherever you are, we appreciate your presence. Thank you.
Nigeria Maka, Yazimo Bodama, Nigeria Maka, I am a Bodonzo. What a beautiful country. What a fantastic country. I love this country. I'm proud to be a Nigerian. Nigeria Maka, I am a go Bodonzo. I'm about to go be getting in Benye I want them. Yabia go to Nalimo. We are not open. What a great nation. We are proud of our game changer. Hope Uzodimma. We are proud of our game changer. Hope Uzodimma. If Imo State, I will endure the teacher. One Nigeria, the quarter, Imo State. I was someone in their emir. You're a bomber in their cabisi. Imo Imo State. I am a go, but everybody go baby. In case you need me, I want him. I'm going to go. I am a game with those. When a man gala, Bassin and wine, Abugi. When a man gala, Bassin and wine, Abugi. Bring it down. Skill up Imo, where are you? Skill up Imo, I'm not here. Skill up Imo. Skill up Imo, make a joyful noise. Bring it down. I want to hear your voice. Skill up Imo. Skill up Imo.
Check. 1, 2, 1.
I will move for Imo.
One.
Go ya.
Check. 1. Check. 1.
Achomima, Babia.
Check.
Achomima, Babia. Bring it down. Niger Delta woman.
Check. 1, 2, check.
Bring it down. Niger Delta woman. Wow. Nkwa Niger no. Omaka ayemego bodanzo. I will be wonderful. Oguodimma State original. IBM Sokoyo. Bring it down. Keruma Kanda IBM Hanokweba. IBM Ije. Unto thee, O Lord, do I lift up my soul. Unto thee, O Lord, do I lift up my spirit. Oh my Lord, I trust in thee. Let me not be ashamed, not let my enemies triumph over me. Rokokoko, unto thee, O Lord, do I lift up my soul. Unto thee, O Lord, do I lift up my spirit. Oh my Lord, I trust in thee. Let me not be ashamed, not let my enemies triumph. Bring it on.
Thank you very much. We want to welcome here the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, represented here by the Permanent Secretary, General Service Office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation. Let me welcome Dr. Maurice Mberi. Dr. Maurice Mberi, representing the IGF, we welcome you.
Karigo, Uzodimma, Karigo, Uzodimma, Karigo, Omoyuko, Karigo, Chia marama, no mara, Chia marama, Chia nezekere, Chia nehichaya, Azara yekereya, Dobereya no more, 27 over 7, 27 over 7. How are you go? Oh yes! High tension. Ozibonde. At. Yes. At. Yes.
I want to recognize the presence of Prince Arthur Eze, a very good friend of the governor of Imo State. Prince Arthur Eze is always here with us. We appreciate your presence. May I quickly also recognize Dr. C.N. Nwachukwu Ezendibo of Lagos State. You're welcome. Honorable Jude Emeka Idimogo, House Member, Lagos State. May I also welcome Honorable Udoka Amsele, BOT Member, Ndibo in APC Lagos. Honorable Chima Davis, I recognize you. You are the chairman of Imo APC Lagos, the chair of all chairs. You're welcome. Thank you.
Original leader, digital empowerment. IGG mono, yes and no, 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 yes and no. Leader, it's a interrupt. I'm better no. Million on name. If you don't get it, forget it.
Ladies and gentlemen, still reverberating, a man of excellence, Prince Acho Eze. Ezenubo, your presence is an added glamour. Chief Sir Godson Obieze Obijako, Chairman Gopan Group, we welcome you. Honorable Chief Ferdinand Uzodimma, Special Advisor to the Governor on General Duties and Surveillance, we welcome you. Honorable Chief B.D.A.K. and his amiable wife, Chairman of Contact and Mobilization, Chief B.D.A.K., we welcome you. Honorable Chief Bruno Ukoha, former House Member that represented the good people of as it is the state constituency, we welcome you. We also have Ambassador Kelechi Uofo, Managing Director, Apple Villa, Nigeria Limited, Abuja and Lagos.
Princess Iwayoma, Princess Akobundo Wayoma, Wayi Karaka. I'm gonna keep it here. Princess Akobundo, Yekelemgi. Director General, under the park. Generally, Princess Akobundo, empowerment woman, out in the bar, presidents, Akobundo Wanyom. Bring it down.
I'd like to recognize the President General of Njenje Worldwide, Chief Dr. Engineer Emmanuel Iwanyanwu MFR. You and your lovely wife, Lady Frances Iwanyanwu, you're welcome. I'd like to recognize His Royal Majesty, King Dr. Dandison Douglas Jaja, the Jekidi Fifth CFR, the natural ruler and amenable of Opobo, Chancellor of Federal University of Dishi, Katsina State, and Chairman River State Council of Traditional Rulers. Also like to recognize His Royal Majesty King Air Commodore T.E.O. Ogube retired, JP, the Perekude Kingoli 1, Ogube 1, Amayanabo of Kirike Kingdom. You're welcome, you're recognized. I'd like to recognize His Royal Majesty, Eze Ilo Manya, the Chairman Council of Elders, Imo State. You and your lovely wife, you're welcome.
Obiofo Binugu, Eze Ilo Manya, Chukwu Jige Mon, Chukwu Jige Jemba, Agara Yangana. Ose Zira Moroku, Emmanuel Renigwaka, Izori Bondu no Kochi, Izori Bondu no Dumiri, Izoro Felix Endo, Zoke Bakasendo, Makwerekwe Mahekwe ya, Ayekwetra, if you get it, forget it. Over here, carry Chuku. Akelem Giji Tony Chuku. Able leader Imo. Good leader in the southeast. Tony Chuku. Over here, carry Jehovah. Engineer Karaka. Onye Chuku de Mono Karaka. Tony Chuku. Oye Chukwu Manase, ya biko ngono memba. Kedu maka lesson bata, pam 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 pam. Oye Chukwu demonu na Imo, carry go Chief Henry Njoku. Yekelem ngiko afongo pano. Bring it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I quickly recognize the presence of the immediate past Minister of State for Science and Technology in the person of Chief Henry Ikechukwu Iko. Chief Henry Ikechukwu Iko, wherever you are, I appreciate your presence. I want to also recognize Ladies and gentlemen, I want to make welcome the presence of the Imo State APC Chairman, Honorable McDonald Ebere, PhD. He is actually the man at the helm of affairs that led the party into the winning of APC Imo State. Wherever you are, Dr. McDonald Ebere, the APC Chairman Imo State, we appreciate your presence. May I also welcome the presence of Professor John Cliff Chike Nwadike, Commissioner for Education, Imo State. Thank you for coming.
I go talk. Make a talk. Make a talk.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've cited Chief Kennedy Onyeneke SA to His Excellency. With full sense of humility, I've cited the Esu of Nupe. Esu of Nupe is around. Chief Ndokanyangu, former Chairman, Administrative Staff College of ASCON. You are highly recognized. Chief Chris Amokam, Elder Council.
City boy.
Honorable William Sejako, SA to His Excellency.
Our father.
You are highly welcome.
May I let us know that the Deputy Governor of Imo State, Professor Placid, is just arrived here. Please, wherever you are, the Deputy Governor, we welcome you. Professor Placid Njoku, thank you for coming. I also want to let us know that the chairman, the Solad of Idato South, is here. Prince Ikaka Chukuma, wherever you are, I appreciate your presence. May I also recognize the presence of Imo peculiar family. Thank you for coming. Distinguished Senator Ezenwa Onyewuchi, the senator representing Imo State Senatorial District, is also here present. Thank you for coming.
Very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it's my singular honor and privilege to welcome the MD and CEO of NDDC and board member, Dr. Samuel Obuko. Dr. Samuel Obuko, we welcome you. We welcome also the chairman of NDDC, Barrister Chinedu Ebie, and the Igbo representative of NDDC, Dr. Kirian Uchebu, the commissioner. Thank you.
Jesus, you are my only and joy, original prophet, Jehovah Boni Yakani. Jesus, you are Jesus, you are my just appreciate the presence of favor in Anaja, the prophet of our time. A child of God that has the biggest factory in Imo State. We appreciate your presence. Jesus, all in all. Favor, we follow you, madam. In a channel. Onye yaka miri, Sangibo onye yaka favor, onye yaka prophet, Jesus to my all in all. Onye yaka mon member, Namuku, Sangibo onye yaka, onye yaki yamacha, Jesus to my all in all. Gene kam geji, were chimolo, favor, gine kigeji. Where Chimolo, we come geji. Where Chimolo, gonna come geji. Where Chimolo, Agame Jaja, Ajadigimba, Agame Jinto, Jadigimba, Agame Jimba, Bam 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 Natanchara, Agame Jobimo, Where Chimolo. Ejakuru monyisi, onyisi sinachi adema. Ejakuru munguru, nguru sinachi adema. Ejakuru monyobi, onyobi achilere makenu, akao chilere, nagosina.
Ladies,
bring it down.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcoming a colossus in philanthropy, the member representing the good people of Mbitoli Kedru Federal Constituency, Right Honorable Akarachi Amadi, a detribalized Nigerian and one of the youngest lawmakers ever produced in our 21st century. We welcome also the man behind the scene, Chief Charles Amadi Chafon, the apex leader of our party in MBK. We welcome also the apex leader of the party in the Owerri Zone, Prince Levi Akakem of Atozwaha. Bring it down. We welcome also Ambassador of Nigeria to the Republic of Congo, Ambassador K.O. Mbadiwe. Beautiful. Chief Mrs. Josephine Noham, President Ndibo United Forum, we welcome you. Thank you.
Yeah, and a bit of correction. His Majesty King Jaja of Opobo King Dandison Douglas Jaja is the immediate past chairman, River State Council of Traditional Rulers. You're welcome.
You've just heard the voice of Okeba Kase.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I announce the presence of Senator Binta Masigaba. Senator Binta Masigaba, wherever you are, we appreciate your presence. Otumba Fashewe, you are also here. We appreciate your presence. I also recognize the presence of Right Honorable Jerry Alaboso. We also have Chief Henry Njoko Haritex, Professor Maurice Iwu, former INEC chairman, is also here. We appreciate you. We want to welcome Sir Jude Diego, former Secretary General of Imo State. We have Prince Charles Amadi Chavon, we welcome you. We have the presence of His Excellency Captain Emma Ihanacho. Wherever you are, we appreciate you. I also want to recognize the presence of APC Party Chairman, APC State Party Chairman, in the person of Prince McDonald Ebere, PhD. Is actually the person in charge of Imo APC. Thank you for coming. We have the presence of Right Honorable Goodluck Nana Opia, former Minister for State, and his amiable wife, Ifeyiwa Opia. We appreciate your presence. We also want to welcome the presence of the Civil Defense Officers Wives Association, led by Mrs. Ngozi Nwosu, the Civil Defense Officers Wives Association. We welcome you wherever you are. Thank you.
Bring it down.
Invited guests have cited the President General, Opoka High Command Worldwide, Barrister Res Agnobi. Ibudu, we welcome you, sir. Group Captain Pat Okibedi. Group Captain Pat Okibedi, to His Excellency, we welcome you. Right Honorable Maswe Duru, PhD, former Speaker, we salute you, sir. Chief Regis Owagwe, Special Advisor to His Excellency. Chief C.Y. Emedom, you are highly welcome.
Onye hụrụ favor onye na-achọ kelebanya. Ana m akpọrọ Olisa gọziere m prọfeti m okwu okwu na-eri abasị dị m bien, yes, he must some bien. Bring it down. I heard it very clear from his mouth. Former president of Nigeria is also singing with us. He is singing with us. Olu singing Obasanjo. Welcome Jimono. He is singing wa 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 Olu wa 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 Olu wa wa Olu wa 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 Olu wa wa wa. Read on.
Yes, from Imo State here, would like to recognize His Royal Majesty Eze Dr. E.C. Okeke CFR Imo, the Chairman, Imo State Council of Traditional Rulers. His Royal Majesty Eze T.A. Obiefule O.N. Okiruru, the Deputy Chairman, Imo Council of Traditional Rulers in charge of Olu Zone. His Royal Majesty Eze Godi Okeke KSM Eze Diohamma 1, Deputy Chairman, Imo State Council of Traditional Rulers in charge of Okigwe Zone. All the 27 local government chairmen of Council of Traditional Rulers and other members of the Imo State Council of Traditional Rulers here today, we welcome all our royal fathers. Thank you.
Father, release the winds of glory, atmosphere of miracle. And no matter mommy cuckoo, Miriam, you could confess on the man. Oh, oh. I want to hear you. Inauguration of Kangara, the Nakachuku, of Wagiki, Uzodimma. Oh, your Tiberas, Lusanati, we are grateful, we are so famous, loving in the Chuck. Welcome to Mon. Chief Dr. Maurice Mberi. Chief Dr. Maurice Mberi. Ikuku confessando, Maurice Wanda, Ikuku confessando. Hey! Leader, this is a government. Obasanjo, Your Excellency, take my salute to Oni of Ife. Kábíyèsí, Oni, Kábíyèsí, Oni, you are welcome. Onye Timana Sebese, Oni, Dada, oh. Onye Timana, Agaranya, Bomume. God of power, send down. God of answer, send down solution. God of miracles, send down. Offering on the outside gate, make a way for them.
The clergy, led by some very distinguished bishops, and as soon as we have a list, we'll give them proper recognition. You're welcome, our spiritual fathers. I also like to recognize Princess Gloria Akobondo, DG NEPAD, African Union Development Agency, New Partnership for African Development. You're welcome. Please, the security operatives blocking the kids who are supposed to perform today, please, we beg you to please let those children in. Security operatives blocking the kids the children who are supposed to be performing today, please allow them access. Thank you. I also like to recognize the permanent secretaries from the various ministries in the state, Barrister Elia Amadiobi, Lady Hope, Lady Nenna Wugo, Mrs. Chiko Diemenalo, Edith Akota, Satiyu Sinwokonkwo, Barrister Osita Nwosu, Chief Bimbola Ogusonya, Barrister Cletus Akobondo. Welcome all of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I welcome the presence of Lieutenant General Ihejirika, CFR, former Chief of Army Staff, DK Abia. Wherever you are, we appreciate your presence. I also want to recognize the presence of Right Honorable Ju Omudiwe, PhD, Igolo Njaba. She's actually House member representing Njaba constituency, Imo House of Assembly. May I also recognize the presence of Honorable Chief Cosmos Iwu, who is actually the Secretary General of Imo State, SSG. Wherever you are, we appreciate your presence. I want to recognize the presence of Dr. Uche Ewelike, CEO, stroke Executive Secretary, Imo State Health Insurance Agency. We'll continue to appreciate the presence of Princess Gloria Akobondo, former MD NEPAD. Wherever you are, Princess Akobondo, we appreciate you. I will also continue to recognize the presence of the chairman, Imo APC party chairman. Wherever you are, Prince Chief McDonald Ebere, PhD, wherever you are, and your amiable wife, which I know is sitting right beside you, Chioma Ebelendo. We appreciate your presence. Thank you.
Ianacho, prophet, Keleremu Oni of Ife. Why were the largest fact in Imo? Uzodimma. I had the kepu, the time of settlement has come. Igugu, Yafisagi. Igugu, Miriama. Igugu, Fesame. Ekele, Onyana in Chanama, Fanny Sabaro. On a man of Biama, Iladiana. Yes, in Macabo, Wani Kibeya, Mashepuya, Tam Tam, Ijokuya, Zamokoya, Tam Tam, Oponoya, Beremeya, Oyana, you're not swaying. Oh, you're not swaying. I am talking man.
Thank you.
Bring it down.
Ladies and gentlemen, we continue to savor the hospitality of Imo lies to our brothers in the diaspora. We are glad that they are here as part of this success story. High Chief Anthony Mwakalibe, President Imo country, Europe, and Bishop Dr. Vitalis Uzodimma. Welcome also Pastor Favor Yanacho, Adoration City Ministry International, the CEO Zugo Nigeria Limited.
Adoration.
Welcome you. Welcome us.
Adoration.
Yeah, Adoration Ministry.
Adoration.
Welcome also Honorable Engineer Gilbert Shedozie Wosu, member representing the good people of Uguta State Constituency. Honorable Innocent Ibamezie, member representing the good people of Mbitoli local government. We welcome you. Thank you. Special advisor to the governor on new Imo project, Chief Technical Advisor, Chief Jerry Chukwueke Ohamadike. We welcome you. Thank you.
We also recognize the presence of the member representing ENDSears-Memorial at the Imo State House of Assembly, Barrister Chief Sam Osuji Ogu Banyerego himself. Ogu Banyerego, we welcome you. We also have here our elder statesman, Chief Enyogasi himself, OK 2000. Tower, any place you are here, we recognize and salute you, sir. We also have here Barrister Leo the Great Awaziyama, my member, SA to His Excellency on Legal 2. We salute you. Honorable Chief Greg Obioha, A to His Excellency on Chieftaincy Affairs. My Lord Bishop Lucius Ugoji, Bishop of Owerri Ecclesiastic Province. Bishop Lucius Ugoji, we welcome and salute you, sir. Chief CY Edebobi, we salute you. Thank you.
I don't see God away. I got drinking now. Ekelem favor. Yende ninja science about. Ileze di anacha. Adoration grande yabo tam tam. Industry yabo tam tam. Anamaka. Onye sina namaka. Yapunta na boka ilekereno. Ijoko ya tam tam.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to announce the presence of the Deputy Governor of Imo State to be sworn in any moment from now. I'm talking about the presence of Lady Chinyere Ihoma Ekomaru, Deputy Governor-elect. He's here with his amiable husband, son, Chief Ekomaru, Obia Ozumandibo. You appreciate your presence, ma. May I
recognize prophecy, Cosmos Wokoma, SLG, Imo. Cosmos government. Cosmos government. Cosmos yes in working bo. In my shape again tam tam. He jump again tam tam. Some again tam tam. He would tam tam. But again come put on your way. On your nothing. On your nothing. Yes, I want you jump again. Some again. Responsible Professor SLG Government fighting. Against them. Hey!
Let me welcome the presence of His Eminence Architect Bishop Kalu Victory, the Archbishop of Owerri Province of Sacred Cherubim and Seraphim of Nigeria. Wherever you are, we welcome you, sir. I also want to welcome the presence of Honorable Henry Okafor, Commissioner, Niger Delta Affairs. May I also recognize the presence of Chief Jerry Chukwueke, the great mobilizer, who is actually a member of the Central Planning Committee. Chief Jerry Chukwueke, we appreciate you. May I also welcome the presence of His Royal Highness Oba Oledi wherever you are, Your Royal Highness Oba Oladeji.
I am
Welcome
well
to Imo State.
I am well loaded. Eyes.
Recognizing the presence of the Honorable Commissioner for Homeland Securities, Dr. Ugoji, a fine gentleman. You are highly welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, I've just cited the pride of the Igbos, the Obi of Onitsha, Abogidi himself, Igwe Alfred Achebe. Please clear the road for him. Igwe Alfred Achebe, Abogidi, Obi of Onitsha. We highly welcome you, sir. Abogidi. We also have here our own Honorable Commissioner for our own Honorable Commissioner for Industries, Lady Love Inge. Our own Lady Love, you are highly welcome.
I am so loaded, need my adoration. For me and the joy, you are so loaded, need my adoration. You are so loaded, favor, you are not church. You are so loaded, you are so loaded, you are so loaded.
Special announcement. Guys, special announcement. Please, the SS man that locked this entrance to where the dignitaries are seated, the SS are standing. Important dignitaries are standing. Please, wherever the SS man is, wherever you are, please come and open this gate so that our traditional rulers can go and sit down. And other important dignitaries, wherever you are, please bring the key. We are beckoning on you. We are pleading with you. Please come quick.
Recognizing Chief Mrs. Josephine Noham, Madam President in the Igbo United Forum, Imo State. Madam we welcome you. I've also to recognize the honorable member representing Osun State constituency, Honorable Engineer Uche Agabiga. Honorable Engineer Uche Agabiga, we welcome you. Our own lady, our pride in Abuja, Princess Glory Akobondo, a fine woman, CEO Auda Nepal, we welcome you.
You are so loaded, favor, you are so loaded, so bad, need my adoration. Eloya Nirmiga, Eloya Makayiga, Eloya Nirmiga, Dima Adoration, Dima Banana, every now and then, every day me, every day Mumbai, every now Rollo, every day Dumbi, Chalobi, every Monday, every Yanachama, every Bamba. Bring it down.
I'd like to recognize the presence of the chairman of the Niger Delta Development Commission, Barrister Chedu Ebie, the MD CEO NDDC, Dr. Samuel Obuku, and other members here today of the NDDC board. We also have Right Honorable Monday Guia, the member representing Delta States on the board, and the former speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly. We have our own state representative, Honorable Dr. Kirian Chidieberu Chebu. We recognize you. Senator Demaro Denyambile of Bayelsa State is also an NDC board rep. You're welcome. Sir Anthony Chedu Okocha, representing River State on the NDDC board, and APC chairman, River State. You're welcome. And to recognize the presence of our service chiefs, the Imo State Police PRO, my very good friend, Henry.
I can let no officer. I can let no officer police. Bring it up. Can he kill officers? I kill officers on their own ranks. Bring it up.
Your Excellencies, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, I have the singular honor to recognize the presence of the Controller of Correction Service, Imo State Command, Controller Njoku Kingsley. You are welcome, sir. I also have the privilege to recognize the presence of the Sector Commander, Federal Road Safety Corps, Imo State Command, Corps Commander Evaristus Ebeniro. You are welcome, sir. It is with great delight that I especially recognize the presence of the State Commander, National Drug Law Enforcement Agencies, Commander of Narcotics, Abdullahi Sahid. You are highly welcome, sir. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I have the singular honor to recognize the presence of the Commandant, Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, Imo State Command, Commandant Matthew Sunday Ovie. You are welcome, sir. Recognizing the presence of the Comptroller, Nigerian Immigration Service, Imo State Command, Comptroller Mary Joan Adure Nwosu. You are welcome, ma. Also recognizing the presence of the Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of Admin and Finance, Imo State Command, DCP Ukachi Peter Okpara. You are welcome, sir. Recognizing the presence of the Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of the State Criminal Investigations Department, Imo State Command, DCP Sarajo Fana Muhammad. You are welcome, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me appreciate the presence of Oba Oladeji and his entourage. Wherever you are, we appreciate you. Honorable Dr. Batram Owandu, DG, Tinubu Shetima Group, Imo State. Wherever you are, we welcome you. May I appreciate Chief Mrs. Noham, we have welcomed you before. The exotic ladies will welcome you. The Conference of Development Centers, wherever you are, we appreciate your presence.
Just for the listening pleasure of Oni of Ife. Hey! Emi Omo.
Biko.
Abiesio. Abiesi.
Special announcement. This announcement has been made before. The entrance that is blocked, a land that one of the SSA guys left with the key. We are asking you to please bring the key. We want the people standing there to vacate that place, because that is the entrance through which the governor of Imo State will pass through, and we won't want anybody to obstruct his passage. Please leave that place, and they cannot leave because the key is locked. The place is locked. Whoever has that key should please bring it so that we can open that place. Thank you.
Let me
I want to
my
announce
brother.
the presence of the senator representing Olu Zone. The senator representing Olu Zone, Senator Osita Izunaso, has just arrived. The senator representing Olu Zone, Senator Osita Izunaso, he has just arrived. Wherever you are, please, we appreciate you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Let me, in a special way, recognize the presence of Right Honorable Acho Ihim, PhD, former Speaker, Imo State House of Assembly. Right Honorable Acho Ihim, we welcome you, sir. Chief Honorable Ugochukwu Nzekwe, Honorable Nzoguchukwu Nzekwe, we welcome you, sir. Engineer Oguchente, a prominent APC leader, we welcome you, sir. Comrade Aburi Williams, Special Advisor to His Excellency, we welcome you. Chief Regis Owakwe, Special Advisor, Special Duties, Political Intelligence, and his admirable wife, you are highly welcome. Thank you.
Her Royal Majesty Ugeze Aboma Okeke Big Mommy, Chairperson, Council of Ndi Ugeze Imo State, and her Royal Council members, wherever you are, we appreciate your presence. The Nigerian Army Officers' Wives Association, NAWA, we appreciate you wherever you are. Thank you for coming. May I also welcome the Acting Vice Chairman, Alvando, wherever you are, we welcome you. May I also welcome the President General, Yoruba Community, Imo State, Oguyemi Odum Julius. Oguyemi Odim Julius, President General, Yoruba Community, Imo State, you're welcome.
I salute you, Bobby.
Nze Henry Opara, Dingidima Ngurustro Gumowa, Nze Livinus Akaha,
His Imperial Majesty, Oni Ajayeye Anito, Ojata the Second.
Please, this is a special announcement.
Ojata the Second.
A special announcement. Please. Please, the security men at the main gate. The security men at the main gate. I am directed to direct you to allow the Imo children trained to perform at the ceremony to come in immediately. Please allow people to come in. The security men at the gate. Allow people to come in.
Security men.
Let Imo people come in. They voted His Excellency in. And this is the time for them to enjoy and celebrate with the man they voted in. Security men, I am directed to direct you. I am not the one directing you. I am directed to direct you to open the gate for people to come in so that they can celebrate their governor. Allow them to come in, please.
His Imperial Majesty, we salute you. Oni Adeyeye Anito Ojaja the second, Co-Chairman of Traditional Council of Nigeria. God bless you. Ana Mekenegi Senator Kusanyawo Wanya Njenje Mba. Oye Chimerese.
Announcement, please.
Oye Chimerese. Yabi Kogoria. Hey, Ilamantamoro. Oh, Ilamantamoro. Obviously. Aha.
Fel-
Hey, hey, hey. Bring it on.
Thank you, Felix. Very important announcement. Ladies and gentlemen,
Just for the listening pleasure of Imperial Majesty, I want him to feel at home.
the legendary Felix Ndukwe, the man with the idea of music to his last letter. Ladies and gentlemen, an important announcement from the chairman of the Central Organizing Committee, Senator Chris Anyanwu. As a matter of fact, we have just recorded three incidents of people that have just collapsed, and it's not a good one. And it's as a result of people standing while others, the younger ones, are seated. These are elderly women. The senator have directed that those are that terraces behind. Because ndio maka unukulieno kandio kenye weroche kahabina but the ambulances are here. They have done the needful. They have been revived. But the important thing is that people should please stand up for the elderly ones. And the thoroughfare at this place is not unacceptable. The thoroughfare here is unacceptable. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Chief Ejike Chukwu Mega Drill. Ejike Chukwu Mega Drill, we welcome you. We welcome also one-time First Lady of Imo State, Honorable Her Excellency Lady Vivian Enwere. Lady Vivian Enwere will welcome you. And of course, Barrister George Eke. Barrister George Eke will welcome you. Welcome also CDB Williams, the first mayor, the man that wrote that His Excellency is a man that has done what Napoleon could not do. Thank you.
May I welcome Chief Imam. The Chief Imam, Muslim Imo State, Alhaji Suleiman Njoko, you're welcome. We also welcome the presence of the Honorable Commissioner for Women and Vulnerable People in the person of Honorable Kechinyere Ugu Adeji Agamba, wherever you are. We appreciate you, Honorable Commissioner for Women Affairs and Vulnerable People, Honorable Kechinyere Ugu. We welcome you wherever you are.
Ladies and gentlemen, the party faithfuls, under the able leadership of Dr. McDonald Ebere, PhD, stands united and ready to continue to give maximum support to the governor who will realize vision prosperous and thriving Imo State in no distant time. Ladies and gentlemen, Chief Cosmos Iwu, the scribe of Imo government, the vibrancy of Imo government. Ugochinyene, you have done noble. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Henry Okafor, the Honorable Commissioner for Niger Delta Affairs, please, you're welcome. We recognize Chief Regis Owakwe, the Special Advisor, Special Duties and Political Intelligence. I am happy with that word. We recognize also Odebube, the oracle of Isu Kingdom, the apex leader of Isu APC, Chief Cosmos Madoba, Princess Obi Njoko, the Princess of Ohajebema, former Honorable Commissioner for Livestock, we welcome you. Honorable Gordon Nwokoma, the Special Advisor, Urban Development, you're welcome. Thank you.
Talk. Okay, Ruena. Mbemde kelendo kochuku. Our reverend pastors and reverend priests, father and bishops of different churches, all of them are lined up. All of them are lined up. Ndukochuku, we are sorry for not recognizing you on time. We see, hey, one name, Father Emela Munjo. The Father Emela Munjo. Upumuwele majanaro. Iga magba Shemela Munjo. Aje confession. Ana Clergy, bring it up. Bishop, architect, Ugo Wems, friend of our governor, Ugo Wems. Father Emela Munjo. Ugo Emela Munjo. Yipumuwele majanaro. Iga magba Emela Munjo. Aje confession. Bring it on. Bring it on.
Hello. Please, everybody should pay attention to this special announcement. Those of us who are standing by the way to the podium where the swearing in will be done, please, you are asked to clear that venue. We don't want to see anybody standing where the swearing in podium is. Please, we want you to vacate that place. Please vacate the place. Thank you. Thank you so much. We appreciate. We don't want to see any hangers around. We don't want to see anybody standing there. Please look for a place and stand. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. The instruction is that nobody should stand there. It's either you are climbing up, which you are not allowed to do, or you leave that place completely. Thank you. Thank you.
Your Excellencies here present, our royal fathers, our Lord's spiritual, please, once more, I'd like to thank all of us for being very patient. Most of us have been here early this morning. But I promise you that as soon as we formally kickstart today's event, it is going to be a very fast one, very precise. As soon as you notice the arrival of national officers of the ruling party, which will be quickly preceded by the arrival of the Commissioner of Police and the Brigade Commander 34 Artillery Brigade Obinze, and other service chiefs here in the state. Once you begin to see that movement, you know that we are ready to formally kickstart. Shortly afterwards, the Chief Judge of Imo State, who will administer the oath of office today, will arrive. The Honorable Speaker, Imo State House of Assembly, will take his position. The Deputy Governor, Dr. Placid Njoku, will also witness his arrival. Then the Governor of Imo State, the other state governors will take their seat. Shortly afterwards, the Executive Governor of Imo State and our special guest today, the President and Commander-in-Chief, will come into the arena. Once they are here and in position, we'll take the national anthem, which will be done by officers and men of the Nigerian police. Shortly afterwards, there will be a special rendition by the Government House Choir. Immediately after that, the Catholic Bishop of Owerri Ecclesiastical Province, His Grace Most Reverend Dr. Lucius Ugoji, will lead us in an opening prayer. Imo State children and our governor will go around to greet this gathering, and shortly afterwards, we'll witness the swearing in of the Deputy Governor-elect of Imo State, Lady Chinyere Kumaru. After that will be the swearing in of His Excellency, the Governor of Imo State, and that will be followed by inspection of guard of honor. There will be another performance by Imo Youth. Then a star music artist will entertain all of us. After that, His Excellency will give us his inaugural address. Then officers and men of the Nigerian police will parade and give the governor 3 hearty cheers. Our guest of honor will make his remark and we'll round it up with the national anthem. Like I said, once we start, it's going to be a straightforward and very precise program. Once more, we thank you all for your patience.
Thank you. Okay, Vakasi.
I want to welcome the presence of Bishop
Thank you.
Dr. G.U. Nweze.
Thank you.
Bishop Dr. G.U. Nweze, the apex leader of APC, Oguta local government. Wherever you are, sir, we appreciate your presence. I also announce the arrival of Her Excellency, Ambassador Dr. Mrs. Gloria Diri, the First Lady of Bayelsa State, and her entourage. Her Excellency, Ambassador Dr. Mrs. Gloria Diri, First Lady of Bayelsa State, we welcome you and your entourage.
That was good of you, Dr. Nine Nwolo, in that ceremonious voice. Ladies and gentlemen, because we are talking about a state that welcomes our brothers from the diaspora, from the Hausa community and Yoruba community, we salute Sariki of Imo State, Sariki Hausawa Suleiman, and his entourage. You're welcome. Madoka, you know you are in charge of rubber, properties of government. Therefore, liaise with the Sariki to make sure that our rubber industry is working.
Thank you, Felix. Let me recognize.
Please, an important announcement. Whoever that has the key to the major entrance into this place, please open that place, open the door, and let dignitaries in. Whoever that has the key to the major entrance of this arena, please open it. Open that place so that people will come in. Thank you.
Thank you, Nina.
onye na-enye anyị ncha na mmanụ nsọ anyị nsabarụ ọ na-eme anyị obiọma ile ozigbo ndụ nwoke ma ezi nwa ka ọ bụ nwoke m ji gba ọnụ ịgbacha ebu ya tamtam iji ụkwụ ya tamtam ịzọrọ ụkwụ ya tamtam ozigbo ndụ dịrị gị kọmputa.
Thank you. Let me, in a special way, recognize the Honorable Commissioner for Budgets, Planning and Statistics, Right Honorable Dr. C.C. Osuala. Dr. Osuala, we welcome you.
Osuala, ekelemgi.
Let me also recognize Dr. Fabian Yegweme Omu, First Commissioner in the history of Imo on International and Foreign Affairs. Omu, we welcome you, sir.
Akateji were magi tinye n'ọbọ ego nwa bara mba n'ọbụkwa ala were me mmanụ onye chanya bara aba n'ọpụta n'ọbọ orela ụmụ mmadụ eji ụwa lele ozigbo ndụ nọ n'ọbọ m ụwa lele ejighị nọ n'ọbọ ụwa lele azịga nọ n'ọbọ ụwa lele ihe na-achọ nọ n'ọbọ ụwa lele ihe na-achọ prọfet bụ ụwa lele ọdịmọna n'ọgbọ ụwa lele isi aga gị ụgbọ mmanụ mbara gị nwere mmeta igwe m ekwe na ịkpanụ n'eze mbara na gị mmanụ onye chaya abara abanya pụta n'ọgbọ ụwa lele ọnwa mmadụ ụwa lele.
Please let me welcome the presence of the former speaker, the immediate past speaker of Imo State, in the person of Right Honorable Barrister Kennedy Ibe. You're welcome to this arena. I welcome Sir Dr. Honorable Ambassador Anosike JP, Sir Timothy Mba Ihe. Wherever you are, we appreciate you. I hope they have opened that place. Please, if that place is still shut, whoever has the key should bring it so that dignitaries can come in. Thank you.
Thank you very much. As we say thank you to all of you for coming here to celebrate with Imo State, let me, on behalf of Imo State, say thank you to Baba. Thank you to the former president of Nigeria, Chief Olusegun Aremu Matthew Obasanjo GCFR. Baba, we say, Eshe Pupo. Thank you for coming to Owerri. The Obio Furniture, Agbogide, Nemeka Affair Achebe, we welcome your Royal Majesty. And the 41st Oni of Ife, we welcome you. Oba Enito Ogunwusi II, we welcome you. We welcome all of you. And like Okebakasi said, as soon as we see the arrival of the service chiefs, the chief judge of the state, we should know that the event is getting very close to kicking off. We welcome you, Felix, the multi-talented man, will take over.
Sayong.
Thank you.
Sayong Karigo. Your voice is intimidating. Your height is intimidating. Your name is intimidating. Sayong, I am Sir O.
Felix, Sayong is a man with that masculine configuration at any point in time. Thank you. Let me go to Zenith from the office of Senator Chris Anyanwu. These are the guests of His Excellency, Zenith Bank executives from Abuja. Director Lady Adobe Wampa. Regional Director Mr. Charles Anocha. Senior Manager Dr. Modestus Wanna. And of course, retired but not tired, A.T. Ibrahim, former GOC 82 Division, Enugu. You're all welcome. Thank you. Ebony Ohiri, the only special advisor to the governor on community policing. Ebony Domeche.
Thank you. I've just cited the member representing Isi-Alamba State Constituency, Ohazrume Okubanyelego, Chief Barrister Sam Osuji. We welcome you, sir. We also have here Chief Uche Diogo, Federal Commissioner, Federal Character Commission. We salute you, sir. Honorable Commissioner for Youth and Sports, Chief Emeko Koronkwo, we welcome you. Chief Imajike Miniomoso, Chairman IBC. Honorable Peter Ezala, Ambassador High Chief Chinedu Orisakwe, Aka Ogbuefi Nisu, we welcome you, sir. Chief and Lolo Jeff Okachuku, thank you for coming.
God bless you.
Felix.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ice. Imitation prophet Abawoma. Wamamadu Pachona Yalai. Ndabe Kwasa Emoza. Ndena Mokadle Pekbere. Hima mistake Batano Lawa. Ebidomu Wanagaboma. Emama can Brubunka. Angel Michael is come. Holy. Angel Gabriel is come. Holy. Angel Michael is come. Holy. Kurumiri Dora Tido. Miri Dora Tido. Miri Dora Tido. Miri Dora Tido. Cha 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 cha. Kuriana, brother. No sauce in Egalum. Ashi. Angel Michael is come. Holy. Angel Gabriel is come. Holy.
Ladies and gentlemen, I understand.
Favor. Hekelem. 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 Original Hekelem. Adoration Hekelem. Hekelem.
Distinguished Senator Ezenwa Francis Onyewuchi, Senator representing the good people of Imo East, is very much with us. He was in the labor room all this while, but he is now seeing the progress, becoming a progressive. Thank you.
We also have here our senior citizen, Barrister Eze Durinyoma, former chairman, National Population Commission. Barrister Eze Durinyoma, we welcome you, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, we in Imo State
Allergy.
Anyone where they reliable, make just stay there till we finish.
Hello. Please let me quickly recognize the presence of Major General A.T. Ibrahim, retired, former GOC Enugu. Major General A.T. Ibrahim, retired. You're welcome to this auspicious event. We also want to welcome the presence of Dr. Obioma Okorie, MD Enterprises Nigeria, and Prince Stanley Nwakama Oyi. Honorable Dr. Julie Onyuku, Chairman Civil Service Commission, we welcome you and your dear husband, Dr. Sir John Bull Onyuku, Imo State Elders Council. We also want to appreciate the presence of Senator Chris Adigije. Senator Chris Adigije, please, wherever you are, we welcome you. Thank you.
In Imo, we are people of faith. No wonder we have a large turnout of men and women of the clergy. Permit me to recognize the President, Christian Council of Nigeria, and Anglican Bishop of Owerri Province, Most Reverend Dr. David Onoha. The Prelate Emeritus, Methodist Church of Nigeria, His Eminence, Dr. Samuel Chukwemeka Uche. The Methodist Archbishop of Umuahia and Secretary General, Joint Body of Southeast Traditional Rulers and Representatives of Archbishops and Bishops in Alibo, Most Reverend Dr. Chibuzo Raphael Oboko. I'd like to also recognize the Bishop Diocese of Mbise Anglican Communion, Right Reverend Chamberlain Ogunedo, the Bishop Diocese of Okigwe Anglican Communion, Right Reverend Dr. Edward Osuebu, the Bishop Anglican Diocese of Oru, Right Reverend Geoffrey Chukunenye, Bishop Architect Evergreen Ugo Wems, Resurrection First Ministries, the Vicar General of Okigwe Diocese, Very Reverend Monsignor Dr. John C. Iwe, representing the Bishop Solomon Amatu, Bishop of Okigwe Diocese. Also like to recognize from the Catholic Diocese of Olu, Reverend Father Ernest C. Dike. And of course, the CAN Chairman, Imo State, Reverend Dr. H.S. Divine H.S. My very good friend and the founder of the Love Base Assembly, Reverend Michael C.A. Iwunze, the senior pastor. You're all welcome, our spiritual fathers. I'd like to also recognize General Ubonna, retired. Ambassador Uke Emuche. You're welcome, my in-law. Chief Chibike Achibu Akachia Namkwere, we salute you. We'll continue to recognize people while we wait for the arrival of the service chiefs that will be followed by the Chief Judge and the rest of the key players. All right, we see some VIP movement. As soon as we confirm those who are arriving, we'll let you know.
Thank you. And let me, in a special way, recognize Sir and Honorable Dr. Lady Bennett Nwokejoba, the Duke and Duchess.
Nwokejobi.
Nwokejobi, a fine gentleman with a dear wife. we recognize you people. I've also cited Chief Lonjas Anyanwu Ebubedike. Ebubedike, you are highly welcome. Chief Siwa Emedom, you are highly welcome.
Iwe, on the man. Iwe, on the man. Under the blue one day, we are home down by town. On bank in minute, on balance in minute, on bank in minute, on balance in minute, on bank in minute, on balance in minute. Bring it on.
Please, important announcement. Very important announcement. If you're anywhere around the red carpet and you're not designated to be there, please relocate. If you're anywhere around the state box and you're not supposed to be there, please relocate. The reason is once we have His Excellency and our special guest, we will not allow anyone around that area. To avoid embarrassment, to avoid being shoved around by security agencies, would like to ask you to leave the red carpet area if you have no business around there. Please. I still see a lot of people around the red carpet area. It is not a hangout area. It's not for photo ops. It is not a red carpet for selfies. Please, just to avoid embarrassment. And I did say that at some point in the program, His Excellency will go around to greet Imo people. So if you're anywhere along the pathway, we will encourage you to move, to relocate yourself. Please, we will not want a situation where anyone will be shoved around. Imo people are gathered today in the mood of celebration. And here we are today to celebrate. We want this occasion to be a happy moment for everyone. So please, if you comply with us, if you follow the instruction of the members of the committee, if you listen to the people in charge of protocol, we are not going to have any problem. We'll have a very smooth event. Thank you very much for your understanding.
Thank you, okay, the Bakassi boy. May I quickly recognize the following honorable members in Imo State House of Assembly. I have here Right Honorable Dominic Ezerioha representing Oru West. Right Honorable Samuel Otibe Ahiazumbise, you're welcome. Right Honorable Uche Agabiga Osu LGA. Right Honorable Kennedy Ibe Obo LGA, you're welcome. Right Honorable Duri Johnson Idato South. Right Honorable Clinton Amadi Owerri Municipal. Honorable Zoma Osoha Ohajibema Local Government. Honorable Ben Ozemena Ehimemba No. Honorable John Liu Ikeduru. Right Honorable Chigozie Waneru Oru East Local Government Area. Wherever these respected honorable members are, we appreciate your presence. Thank you. I want to also recognize the presence of Professor BTO Ikegwoha, former Honorable Commissioner for Education, Imo State. Professor BTO Ikegwoha, wherever you are, I appreciate your presence.
Thank you. Chinekemka, Asimdeka, Chinekemka, Asimdeka, Chinekemka, Asimdeka, Chinekemka, Asimdeka.
Quickly recognize the outgoing chairman of Imo State, Barrister Willie Okoliogo. He is here present. He has been here since morning. May I also recognize Barrister Tony Umezurike and other sole administrators in the stadium. We appreciate your presence. May I also welcome the presence of Ochiwo. Ochiwo is Eze Ugochukwu, Prince Eze Ugochukwu, a special advisor to Imo State Governor on Public Enlightenment. You're welcome.
Ezebube na rekelem Ọbara nkịtụ nkwubiri n'ọnụ ya Chineke bụ onye dị ka gị Onye mmemme na rekelem Chineke bụ onye yiri gị eze Anyị kpọọ ya n'ụtụtụ ọzọ Anyị kpọọ ya n'abalị ọzọ Ịkpọ ya n'anya mmiri ọzọ Ịkpọ ya n'ime nsogbu ọzọ Jehova nara ekele me Onye mmemme nara otuto me Ọbara nkịtị nkwubi n'ọnụ ya Onye eze
Special announcement. Special announcement. Please, all of us standing or seated at the foot of the podium where the swearing in will take place, please, you're asked to vacate that place. All of you sitting or standing at the foot of the podium, you are please asked to leave. They say you are security breach. We don't want anything that will breach the security of what we are doing. So please leave the place. Thank you.
Onye na-cheta m mgbe elu ụwa chefuru m Onye na-akpọrọ gị mgbe elu ụwa jụrụ gị ajụ ya na-achọ Mgbe ọ dị ka nte na-emegbu gị n'elu ụwa Chukwu hichara gị anya wee mee gị onye ụwa ọma Ịgba abụọ Ịgba Onye ọrụ ebube Chimarobim Onye na-eme mma Chukwu Onye na-echeta m mgbe elu ụwa chefuru m Onye na-akpọrọ m mgbe elu ụwa jụrụ m ajụ Mgbe ọ dị ka nte na-emegbu m n'elu ụwa Isi m ezi nwa Ụjọ atụla gị Ngaragwa na onye nyere m ọmụmụ Ngaragwa na onye nyere m ọmụmụ m Ngaragwa na onye nyere m ọmụmụ Wejebere ya kwa arịrị ụwa Ngaragwa na onye nyere m ọmụmụ Onye nyere m ọmụmụ Ya I'm not watching. Ekueme, Akajuwe Boyati. I'm a masin, Akajubio. Akajuwe Boyati.
Hello.
Oyamari Edu.
Hello. Sound check 1, 2.
Oyamari Katine Mema.
Okay.
Oyamari Kozama. Mmevuko chino sabo.
1, 2, 4. Testing 1, 2.
Apa yangu matanku na luwa.
1, 4.
Baadi kuli laya diye ni mendume.
Hello, 3, 2, 4. 1.
Apa mchiova osa.
Hello, 1, 2, 4. Testing the mic.
China kei chana manyamiri.
Testing 3, 3, 2, 4.
Wadumebo judaye.
Testing. Thank you very much.
Asim ni na rekele.
Thank you. Thank you.
Onyale bubeka.
I think it's okay.
Ice.
Hello.
Are you okay? Thank you. I salute you, Your Excellency. Olusegun Obasanjo. Clergy, Mamimo State in Wanyama, First Lady of Imo State, the most beautiful First Lady in Nigeria, Barrister Chioma Uzodimma, Wanyiki Beyama, Ojule Mogo Yende Widows, Chioma Wanyama. Olu Clergy Igolo. Oye chuku minamba. Olu mebo judai. Asim ni narekele. Onyolo ebubeka.
Fellas, this is very exciting. This is very interesting that over 20 first ladies from the Federal Republic. We commend the dexterity of the First Lady of Imo State, Barrister Chioma Uzodimma, for attracting these women whose name perfects when mentioned wherever they find themselves. You're welcome to Eastern Heartland. 20 first ladies. This is unprecedented. In no distant time, Her Excellency will come to welcome personally the first ladies from other states.
Isini gorakuko kachoma. Isini inachucha kachoma. Isini koroto kachoma. Isini bubarisi nagoya kachoma. Choma me, choma. Bring it on.
Your Excellencies, senior officers serving and retired, officers, distinguished invited guests, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, may I, on behalf of the Central Organizing Committee, members of the Nigerian Police Force, Nigerian Armed Forces, and other security agencies, welcome you to Dan Ayim Stadium, Owerri, venue for the swearing-in ceremony and inauguration parade of the Governor-elect of Imo State, distinguished Senator Hope Uzodimma, and his deputy, Lady Chinyere Ihuoma Ekomaru. I am ASP Okoye Henry, the Public Relations Officer of Imo State Police Command. With me is ASP Phoebe Abua, my assistant. Together, we shall be taking you through the commentary of today's inauguration parade.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I have to be faced by men and see what they're doing. Yeah, they're saying I should face here. I can't face here.
Let me make. I will. Please come. Please, the ushers that are going to function here are outside. Could the security men please open the gate for them to come in? We need them right now for their services. Please do open the gate and let them in. Thank you.
Yes.
Please, security agencies, while we appreciate your wonderful job of keeping everyone safe, please, some set of people are important for logistics. The ushers that will be working today, please grant them access. We also need to keep people hydrated. This is Harmattan, the weather is so dry. We need to keep people hydrated. So please grant access to the people who want to supply water. Please grant access to the people who want to supply water so that they can come in and begin to serve people. Thank you.
Okay. We witnessed a while ago the regimental sergeant major marching the guards onto the parade ground. The guards have formed 3 ranks and have taken appropriate dressing as they await the arrival of the parade second in command. The regimental sergeant major for this inauguration parade is Sergeant Egejuru Kingsley. He enlisted into the Nigerian Police Force on the 31st of December 2016. He hails from Owerri North local government area of Imo State.
While ASP Okoye is trying to sort out the parade formalities, let me welcome the representative of the United Nations right here in our midst, His Excellency Ambassador Jean Bakole, and Professor of Economics, one of the very finest minds, is also with us here. Ambassador Bakole, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Your Excellency, senior officers serving and retired, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, we witnessed a while ago the regimental sergeant major reporting the state of the rank and file on parade to the parade second in command. The parade second in command is Deputy Superintendent of Police, John Manu. He was born on the 15th of October 1972. He hails from Zuru local government area of Kebbi State and enlisted into the Nigerian Police Force on the 1st of April 1993. Your Excellency, senior officers serving and retired officers, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, the bugle call you just heard signifies the officer's call. The call is sounded to alert the guard and sub-guard commanders to march and take position and await the arrival of the parade second in command to order them to fall into their respective guards. The parade second in command has ordered the guard and sub-guard commanders to fall in, and what we are witnessing now is the guard and sub-guard commanders marching smartly towards their guards to fall in and take position. We shall now take a brief look at the guards on parade. There are 4 guards on parade this afternoon, comprising of officers and men of the Nigerian Police Force. Each guard has a guard commander, 2 sub-guard commanders, and a strength of 48 rank and file. We shall begin by taking a quick look at the guards. Number 1 guard is commanded by DSP John Manu. The left sub-guard commander is ASP Wakalu, while the right sub-guard commander is ASP Ahotu Emmanuel. Marching closely behind the number 1 guard is the number 2 guard, which is commanded by ASP Ezenwata Solomon. He was born on the 26th of April, 1997. He hails from Anambra State and holds a BSc in Political Sciences. The parade second in command has reported the state of officers and men on parade and handed over the parade to the parade commander. Your Excellencies, senior officers serving and retired, officers, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, may I announce the arrival of the parade commander, Superintendent of Police, Sunday Nathan Irimiya. We witnessed a while ago the parade second in command reporting the state of officers and men on parade to the parade commander. He is now marching to take his position at the right side of the parade. SP Sunday Nathan Irimiya was born on the 15th of February, 1979. He hails from North Local Government Area of Plateau State. He attended Government Secondary School, Wase, in Plateau State, for his secondary education before enlisting into the Nigerian Police Force in 2003. He has attended series of professional courses, both local and international, and has served the force meticulously in various capacities and positions. SP Sunday Irimiya is happily married and blessed with 3 kids. Still on the composition of the parade, number 3 guard is commanded by ASP Eze Ajoha Goldman. He was born on the 13th of August, 1995. He hails from Anambra State and holds a BSc in psychology. He is a member of the 2nd regular course, while the left sub-guard commander is ASP Mmadụ Buchuku Lawrence Odera, and the right sub-guard commander is ASP Udora David. Directly following the number 3 guard is the number 4 guard, which is commanded by ASP Okafor John Paul Odira. He was born on the 7th of October, 1996. He hails from Anambra State and holds a BSc in biochemistry. He was commissioned on the 18th of December, 2019 as an assistant superintendent of police. He is a member of the 2nd regular course, while the left sub-guard commander is ASP
Inauguration! Right! Right! June! Shout that!
Any moment from now, the parade commander, having taken his position in front of the guards, will give order for the standard party to march on parade. May I respectfully request our entire distinguished guests to rise as a mark of respect to the flag when the standard party marches on parade, while commissioned officers on uniform are expected to salute.
To your standard! Preside arms!
We have a few drones flying. Please, if your drone is not screened and cleared by the security agencies, please bring it down now, or else it must be forcefully brought down.
Your Excellencies, senior officers serving and retired, officers, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, the exceptional changing of direction of the Standard Party underscores the painstaking efforts put by these gallant officers during series of intense training sessions they had before this event. These equally highlight the unflinching dedication of these smart-looking officers to discharging their duties which they have been commissioned to undertake. With the Standard Party having marched on parade, this presents a complete composition of a standard police parade. Looking at the parade this afternoon, you realize that the parade comprises of 4 guards, the Standard Party, and a mass band of the Nigerian police force. We have 6 flags on parade this afternoon: the Nigerian flag, the regimental flag of the Nigerian police force, the peacekeeping flag, the police mobile force flag, the police counter-terrorism unit flag, and police special protection unit flag. The flags are carried by commissioned officers known as ensigns to the flag. Each of the guards has a parade commander, 2 sub-guard commanders, and a strength of 48 rank and file. From the left view of the VIP stand is the number 1 and number 2 guard, followed by number 4. From the left view of the VIP stand is the number 1 and number 2 guard. At the middle is the Standard Party, and to the left of the Standard Party is the number 3 and number 4 guard. All of them comprising of officers and men of the Nigerian police force. Any moment from now, we shall be expecting the arrival of some special dignitaries. May I please request the band to give us some interludes.
You too.
See, come. Don't see me that is breaking the balloon. What is doing is breaking the balloon. Just like that. Speaker and judge. It's okay. Your Excellencies, senior officers, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, may I respectfully invite the Speaker, Imo State House of Assembly,